Hey, how's it going? So I wanted to do a quick video for you to talk to you about my crypto investing strategy and what I'm doing right now, okay? So occasionally I like to do these videos for you guys so that you kind of know what I'm doing, and if you want to, follow any of that, then you can, or, if you want to say, hey, that's not necessarily the strategy I would use, whatever it may be. Okay, so here it is, two things. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, please, below before we get started. So here's what I've got for you. It's actually very simple. So I view crypto investing on really two sides of the street. One side is long-term investing, and these are long-term bags where I've bought all of the major blue chips like Bitcoin, Ethereum, even Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Cardano, but all of them, right? Probably about the top 15, 20 of them. And I bought those years ago, and those are long-term bags, and I don't touch those. The reason is that I'm holding those for the next, I'm holding them for 2+ years now, moving forward, another couple of years, because I'm going for very large ROI returns on those. So I don't sell those, I don't do anything, and I add to those bags over occasionally as time goes by. So that's my long-term kind of, diamond hand hodl bags, whatever you want to call it. But I just really think of it as more of a long-term. So then there's the other side. The other side is more what I consider short-term to mid-term investing, and this could be 2 months, 3 months, or it could be I might buy Cardano or Bitcoin or Shiba Inu or whatever it is, and hold that for say 6-7 months or 2 months or 1 month, depending upon how I'm trading that. And the reason I'm telling you about that is that's kind of short and mid-term. So now I've got both sides covered. I've got long-term trading and I've got short-term to mid-term trading. Now, inside of that short mid-term trading, I use my trading indicator X1 algo, links in the description below if you want to check it out, to find good times to buy and good times to sell. But more importantly, I'm also looking at categorization. I'm also looking at what categories do I want to be in. And so in these categories, it's AI, gaming, things like that, right? And I'm looking specifically for opportunities. Now, with all that said, in this short-term to mid-term trading scenario, right now, I'm actually not doing a lot, because I've said this to you in previous videos, is that right now, because we have this volatility, and I think we've got some more risk during the summer and May, the rest of May, June, July, I'm really sitting in a cash position. And right now I'm analyzing and looking at those opportunities that I want to get into for those short to mid-term trades. And here's what I'm looking at, okay? I'm looking at how many X returns can I get. So as an example, let's take Bitcoin, okay? I own a lot of Bitcoin, but let's take Bitcoin. Right now trading at 66,000 and change. So if Bitcoin goes to, say, $130,000, that's a 2X, right? Goes from where it's at now to 2X. That's a good return. That's a fantastic return. But I'm also looking at what are other better opportunities where I might get a 5X, a 7X, a 10X, okay? And those are going to be more of your altcoins. Okay, so an example would be maybe Cardano, from where it is now, and what could it do in 7 months, a year, or whatever it may be from now. It's definitely going to be more than 2X or 3X, right? And that's where I'm looking at really moving now, and from an investing strategy standpoint on this short to mid-term trading scenario as we get ready for September, October. I'm looking for those opportunities to 5X, 7X, 10X. And I'm going to tell you where they are. They're mostly in those altcoins, in the top blue chip altcoins, okay? And maybe in the top 50 altcoins. Those are where I'm looking. The reason is I'm doing that is those are very, very safe, but they also have the highest potential to 7X, 10X, 15, 20X, whatever it may be. So guys, that's it. That's my investing strategy. So right now I'm sitting on cash and I'm looking and identifying what those opportunities are. It's not a secret. It's really just in the top 15, 20, maybe even top 50 cryptos, and identifying which one of those I think can really go up, okay? So that's what I have for you. That's my investing strategy. That's what I'm doing right now. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. If you've gotten some value out of this, please like and subscribe. Also, there's a link down in the description below. Check it out to Margex, one of the best trading platforms out there. Have leverage, short, long. If you use my referral link down below, you get a 20% referral deposit bonus. So check that out. Links in the description below. I'll see you. Go make some money.